Motors family. This is the 1999 Honda StepWagon. It has 36,654 miles. It is powered by the reliable B20B 2.0 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. It does come with 2 doors, 1 rear sliding door, and 1 rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. As y'all can see, this vehicle does come in kilometers, so the number that y'all are seeing up here, 58,991, that is the kilometers. The miles on it again is 36,654. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of this vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals as well. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We would be happy to answer any questions that you might have. We do appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for the continual support. We really do appreciate it. I hope you all have a blessed and safe day.